Marugamagirira cira-ini uyu ameterere itua ria muthia ria igoti muthenya wa mwambiririo. Mawakiri aya matongoretio ni mawakiri a mwena wa muthitangani wa ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya Alliance Raila Odinga na muthithia wake Martha Wangari wa Karua. Mawakiri aya ni hamwe na gavana wa Siaya James Orengo, wakiri Philip Murgo, Otiende Omolo hamwe na Feloza, wakiri wa Odinga Paul Mwangi, Juri Soweto, Jackson Awele na Professor Ben Sihanya. Odinga na Karua marenda uhotani wa President Muthure William Ruto uteanirio.
So good. One more to go, Baba. We need a bulletproof vest for her.
We insist.
Buge Muthure wa Yata Basi Robert Angui ni arugurite mfago wa gutabia internet matura-ini ma gicigo kia Obuge. Ceceni cia motungata ma muingi na thoko-ini gatagati ga kuria gutanyitwo gutabio internet niguo kuhe andu ethi mieke ya wonjoria mitambo-ini ya ng'enda-ini.
Mũmbunge Muthure wa gĩcigo kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Yata Basi Robert Ngũi ni ambĩrĩirie wĩra agĩtonya matũra-inĩ na kũrugũria mũbango wa gũtambĩria aikari internet. Gũtambio kwa internet gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ kĩa ũmbunge nĩ ũnyitanĩri na tabarĩra ya thirikari nene ĩrĩa yũĩkaine ta Njĩra Digital, andũ ethĩ magĩtanywo kũgunĩka makĩria.
So ideally e-commerce is going to be real, whereby many people are going to utilize. Borders are going to have jobs through using mobile technology. So free Wi-Fi is going to be launched in Yata in all schools. So this will be the first in the country, and I'm happy within partnership with ICT Authority of Kenya, we are doing this together.
Ceceni-inĩ cia thirikari iria iheanaga motungata ma mũingĩ nĩ kũmwe gwa kũrĩa intaneti ĩno ĩtambĩtio, kũrĩa gũgũkorwo gũkĩhe andũ ethĩ gĩthomo gĩa kompyuta nĩguo mahote kwĩyandĩka.
You know, many youths before they join universities, majority of them do not benefit from ICT or computer learning. So with the resource centers, most of the youths in my constituencies are going to learn free computers. Actually, some of them will go with the certificate in computer management, and that is in courtesy with ICT Authority of Kenya. So as a member of parliament, I'm really in support of this exercise. Today we have launched it. We have started with the AIC Kidimani. We have done in the DCC offices here in Yata. We are moving to the police. We are also going to do it in the health centers.
Kũngĩ gwa kũrĩa intaneti ĩtanyĩtwo gwĩkĩrwo nĩ kũndũ ta mathoko-inĩ nĩguo onjoria mahote kwandandũra wonjoria wao nginyagia mĩtambo-inĩ ya nenda.
And also in the markets. So ideally we are connecting the constituency with the rest of the country in a digital way, and is part of the government blueprint of 2032. So in principle, Yata will be the first. It's actually a role model in the entire county to have the first digital, where free Wi-Fi is in schools, and the women will be able to market their produce, particularly the trenders who are in Kidimani and other parts of Yata. When it comes to school, the CBC program requires students to be able to access internet. So once we provide free internet in schools, at least our young ones who are learning in primary schools, they'll be able to utilize the free Wi-Fi.
Gũkĩrĩ ũũ wabici ya mũmbunge ũyũ ĩriũngĩte matũra-inĩ na kũrĩa aikari meyandĩkithie nĩguo matambĩrio internet. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV. Jetao Wanjiku wa Kimani.
Ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ nĩ yandĩkanĩire ngirimiti na kambuni ya Johnson & Johnson ĩrĩa yũhĩgĩrĩire harĩ ũthondeki wa ndawa cia ũrigitani na njanjo. Ngirimiti ĩno ĩrĩgĩrĩirwo kwagĩrithia na kũgacĩrithia ũheani wa motungata kũrĩ arwaru a mũrimũ wa meciria. Akiaria hĩndĩ ya ũiguithanio ũcio, mwandĩki mũkaru ministry-inĩ ĩno ndagĩtarĩ Susan Mochache augĩte arigitani rũhonge-inĩ rwa ũgima wa meciria nĩmekũgunĩka na mathomo ma mwanya marĩa mekwagĩrithia ũrigitani na ũtungata wao kũrĩ arwaru. Mochache arehoka ũiguithanio ũyũ nĩ ũkũnyihanyihia ciĩko cia kwĩgera na kũgerana ngero iria cingĩhĩte gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ gatagatĩ-inĩ ka arĩa maremereirwo nĩ mĩrimũ ya meciria.
I think it's one area that is very unattended in terms of getting support from partners. So I want to just thank Johnson & Johnson for having really given importance to mental health. Of course, His Excellency the President had already pronounced that it is an issue that you'd actually call a pandemic in the country. So you've come out to join efforts with government to try and tackle it. And of course, it's such an obvious matter because the manifestations are there for all of us to see. The number of domestic violence cases that we see, gender-based violence, the issues that we see on suicide, the challenges we are having in our security sector in terms of, people turning to their colleagues and even to themselves and their families. So really, these are just symptoms of a society that is struggling with the mental health burden. And moreover, we've also done our own surveys, and we know from an evidence-based point of view that a good percentage of our people have challenges with mental health.
Johnson & Johnson, we are really committed. We've been players in the mental health space for a long time, and we are committed to ensure that we don't only, strengthen, number one, we strengthen the healthcare system when it comes to mental health through the trainings that we are doing already with Camille for the psychiatry nurses, but also make our products accessible because accessibility is very important. So there are some things that we've already done that we had put on the MOU, but we've started already implementing.
Mathako marutwo a thukuru cia thekondarĩ nĩ macokereirie thutha wa kũrũgamio kwa ihinda rĩa mĩaka ĩrĩ kũrũmĩrĩra mũtuthũko wa mũrimũ wa COVID-19. Macindano maya ma thukuru iria cia irathĩro rĩa bũrũri marekĩrwo kaunti ya Embu, kũrĩa mũthako-inĩ wa volleyball gatagatĩ ka airĩtu timu ya thukuru ya kwa Dhanze kuma Machakos ĩrahotire timu ya thukuru wa Ng'ondi kuma Tharaka Nithi na seti ithatũ. Mũthako-inĩ wa handball timu ya Imwana ya Boni kaunti-inĩ ya Makueni ĩrahotire Imwana cia thukuru wa Muirũrĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Meru. Timu ya Boni ĩkũng'ethanĩra na timu ya Imwana ya thukuru wa Machakos. Arĩa mekũhotana final magathiĩ gũcindana na mathukuru mangĩ kuma guothe bũrũri-inĩ mwena wa Naikuru, na ahotani gũthiĩ kũng'ethanĩra na aruna ao kuma mathukuru-inĩ ma mabũrũri ma Afrika ya ithũĩro bũrũri-inĩ wa Tanzania.
Na tumejiandaa vyema, tuko tayari kurudisha kombe nyumbani. Venye tunaona tunaenda pia nationals na tuna defend more East Africa na lazima tutarudisha kombe nyumbani. So tunafanya zoezi zaidi ili tu defend hiyo kikombe.
Kwanza na semifinals game imekuwa somehow challenging. Haijakuwa rahisi, imekuwa tough kiasi, but we tried to maintain ile game yetu tunajua na tumemanage kushinda. Challenges like the opponents were still walikuwa focused pia wa kushinda, walitaka pia wa kufika finali, so they fought for the chance. Hiyo ndio ilitupea challenge, walikuwa somehow tough.
Kama region defending champions tumejitolea hii mwaka, tumekuja tucheki na mtu, yote inatokea na mazoezi ambayo tumepata. So kwa wale tumecheza nao pia na washukuru, wametupea fair game. Marefari wote pia nasema asante sana. Tuko ready venye tumeshinda hii semifinal, tumejipanga kwa final hapo kesho. Na pia vile tuko na imani kuwa tutashinda na tutajumuika na wale wenzetu kwa competition ambazo zitafanyika Nakuru kwa nationals.
Na furaha mingi sana kufika regionals na kushinda semifinals for the first time. So we are very happy kufika finals, and we are very ready. Mazoezi tumefanya zoezi, tunaweza sema tuko ready. Now we are hoping for the best, and kila mtu ako focused hapo kwa timu yako yote.
Nĩ ngatho cia mwanya nĩ gwĩtĩkĩra gũkorwo mĩtambo-inĩ ya Inoro TV, na hau nĩho tũgũtirĩhĩra mũtamburũko witũ wa Inoro mĩaraho. Mũtamburũko ũngĩ wona cihanda thaa 1 ogwata mũtamburũko witũ wa thaa 3, no niĩ gũkorwo nawe koguo ndũkehere mĩtambo-inĩ ya Inoro TV. Thiĩ na mbere na gũthũkũma harĩa ũrĩ na ũrothũkũma kumia njĩtagwo Ken Oakra.